In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create iPhone smiley face emoji in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a very quick and simple trick, but it's also really useful if you want to make your slides feel more modern, playful, or visually engaging. Instead of searching online for an image or copying an emoji from somewhere else, you can insert it directly inside PowerPoint in just a few moments. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the exact spot where you want the emoji to appear. Click in the space where you want to place it. This part is important because PowerPoint needs to know where to insert the emoji. You might be clicking inside a text box, in a title area, or in a content section of your slide. Just make sure your cursor is active in the location where you want the smiley face to show up. Once your cursor is in place, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This opens the built-in Windows emoji panel. If you've never used this before, it's a handy shortcut that gives you quick access to a full library of emojis without leaving PowerPoint. It's especially helpful for presentations, classroom slides, creative projects, or even casual business decks where a small visual touch can make your message feel more friendly. After the emoji panel appears, look through the available options and select the smiley emoji you want to use. Simply click on the smiley face, and it will be inserted directly into the place you selected in PowerPoint. That's it. Your emoji should now appear right on the slide. If needed, you can adjust the size afterward just like regular text, especially if you inserted it inside a text box. If it looks too small, try increasing the font size so the emoji stands out more clearly. This can help if you're designing slides for a large screen or presenting to an audience. One helpful tip is to click carefully before opening the emoji panel because wherever your cursor is placed is exactly where the emoji will go. If it ends up in the wrong location, just undo it and try again. And that's how to create an iPhone-style smiley face emoji in Microsoft PowerPoint quickly and easily. Once you know this shortcut, adding emojis to your slides becomes fast, clean, and convenient.